Hello, business owners. Uh, a warm welcome to you all. I myself, Mr. Kiriti Lakka, and I am basically a digital marketing consultant, trainer, and even blogger by profession. So, today I would like to address two key issues which are very common and relevant to each and every businesses. The two main issues are business branding and business development. These two are the key challenges or the key issues for any business segment or for any business category, what I feel. So regarding this, what I feel is both business branding as well as business development, which is in terms of generating new leads. So both should run in parallel for any business, the branding part as well as the business development part, the generating new leads. So both are important, equally important. So obviously business development is nothing but new lead generation or even new customer acquisition. So as per the present market scenario, so lot of businesses, lot of even retail businesses, small scale, medium scale business, lot of business are trying to shift towards online platforms, trying to showcase their businesses, trying to showcase their products and services in online platforms and in the internet. So that is obviously a good sign. It is a positive sign. So we as a company, from a company called SEM Assist, we are there to provide you the digital supporting services for your businesses. So the digital supporting services or the digital activities can be categorized basically in 4 steps. So it starts with creating online presence for your businesses exclusively in the internet for the visibility, and it is nothing but an online asset for your company. So creating an online presence is the first step. So then comes building a social cloud around your brand. That is second. Number 2. The third one is even we help you to reach your targeted customers or targeted audience, which is very much specific and very much result oriented, the targeted ones. And the fourth activity is obviously generating new leads, trying to get new customer acquisitions. So these are the 4 key steps in digital journey. So in this complete digital journey or in this complete digital segment, we are there to give you the complete digital supporting system as well as digital assistance for your businesses, so that it helps you to grow much further and much faster in this competitive markets. So hope it is a valid point for you all, what I believe, and we are trying to get connected with a lot of business clients and a lot of business owners, entrepreneurs. So in order to shift their businesses into online and make them much more productive and result oriented. So what I say is, like, get connected with our company, with us. So get a free consultation call from our side. You just need to sign up. Check the link below, click and sign up, so that you will get the consultation call from our side. And definitely, according to your business category and according to your business location, we give customized digital supporting solution for your businesses with stringent digital marketing strategy also. So we combine digital solution with digital marketing strategy for your business, which is exclusively customized for your business segment. So hope you got the point, and please connect with us. We are in Facebook called SEM Assist. Check the links below. You can have a view of our website, of our services, digital services, lot more digital services, and we are there to give you the complete digital assistance and support. Thank you all. Signing off, this is Kiriti Lakka.